Hi, I'm Lucy James, and I listen to the One Up Gaming podcast.
Hello, Andy. This is Colin. I won't be able to get in tonight. I'm sweating like a pig. 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 I'm sweating like a...
Hi, Dave here, One Up Gaming. Just a quick Temu sort of like video. What we have here is just a chance for you to buy a mechanical keyboard at Temu. They're offering up to 90% off on selected keyboards, especially is it Mage G? I don't know. Very popular brand at the moment on Temu. Basically, go to Temu, sign up, use this promotional code for a chance to win free products. Just sign up, get £100 coupon bundle so you can buy stuff at a discount. If you're a new customer, you can get 30% off. But it does need to be redeemed after 1 hour after downloading the app. So I guess the basic thing is, because you can buy a mechanical keyboard 90% off of going straight onto it, downloading the app, then that gives you a chance of buying a mechanical keyboard for only £3. I mean, what more can you say about it? What more can you say? So yeah, mechanical keyboard, maybe about £3. Sign up today, get 90% off, and yeah, hopefully you will enjoy that. So please go to Temu, sign up, use this code, get the links, and hopefully you'll enjoy your nice shiny keyboard. So David here, One Up Gaming, saying thank you, goodbye.